For today's math lesson, I would like to teach you the importance of fractions. I thought what a fun way to teach you fractions than by baking cookies. It is very important that we get the correct ingredients in the right amount, the right fraction amount of ingredients for them to come out correctly, just the way we want them to taste. So to do that, all the ingredients have to be exactly measured. This is why fractions are very important. Many of you think fractions don't come in handy, but really they do. So we are going to make cookies together. We're going to start with 1 cup of butter. After that 1 cup of butter, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm now going to add 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. 1 cup. And a 1/2 cup. Now that I have these into the bowl, I'm going to cream them together. Now that this is creamed, I'm going to add in 2 eggs. After adding in the eggs, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now I'm going to beat all this. Now that this is all beat together, I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Oh, just kidding. Now that this is all beat together, I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. After that's added, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. There's 1 teaspoon baking powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. I'm now going to add 2 3/4 cups of flour. Here's 1 cup. Here's another cup, 2 cups. Here's 1/4. Here's another 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. Here's a third 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. Now that this is added, I'm going to beat this together. Now that this is all beat together, I'm going to add 1.5 bags of chocolate chips. In the back. Just finish it and pull that up. Maybe a little. And I'm going to beat this all together as well. Now that the dough is all ready to go, my oven's already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a cookie sheet with some foil on it. I'm now going to put the dough in balls onto the cookie sheet. I'm now going to put this into the oven for 13 minutes. Now because of fractions, I was able to make these cookies. Delicious.